adventure explorer. We're out here at Dirt Expo here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Got so many cool things to see. You guys need to check it out. We got trophy trucks, we got sand wheels, we got rock crawlers, but what we got out here, CamperBoxx Max. Brand new awning, 180-degree awning for us. We have a 90-degree. We also have a 180-degree. We also have a 270-degree awning to go on it. CamperBoxx Max. This one's got the shower, the toilet, the bed, the sink, the refrigerator, everything that you're gonna need. But what this one doesn't have is what's coming up soon. Rooftop tent. That's gonna be at our next expo. That's gonna be all set up. You're gonna be able to sit 4 in this sucker. So what we're here doing today at the Dirt Expo here in Scottsdale, Arizona, we're trying to show you guys just how versatile the CamperBoxx is. So it's very, very easy to put inside of a van. Also very, very easy to put on top of a trailer. But now this is a 12-foot trailer. Say you guys have an 18 or a 22-foot flat trailer. You guys like to go camping because you guys have a RZR, dirt bikes, quads, anything of the sort, and have to go on dirt. You can still do it here. Put your pod up on the front. When you're done, go ahead and put your RZR, put your dirt bike, put your quad on the back behind it. Go ahead and take those off once you get to where you're going. Leave the pod on the trailer, do your camping, load your stuff back on. You're gonna have a great weekend. So how easy it is to get this thing up. Push of a button, 4 jacks, gonna jack this thing up all the way up to 36 inches if you guys need, and you can order stands to actually get this thing up 42 inches up off the ground if you have an overlanding van. 36 inches up off the ground is going to get you plenty of space to get the front legs right here into the front of the van. Once you get these 2 legs on the inside of the van, you're going to jack these 2 front legs up. Let the weight of the pod sit on these rollers and the back 2 jacks. Roll 3/4 of the way in. Once the rollers along the bottom catch, it's going to be a lot easier to push it in once it catches more rollers. Once you get it about 3/4 of the way in, you're going to jack up the back 2 jacks, push it the rest of the way in, lock it down, open it up inside of the van, take off and have fun. Our Flex version is going to have 4 electric jacks as well. Lift it up off the ground, back your truck underneath it, set it back down. You guys are actually going to see that in about 2 weeks. We're going to start filming on that. Brand new setup, anything from a Tundra all the way up to a 3500. Doesn't matter what kind of truck you got, you're gonna have a CamperBoxx in the back. If you guys need any more information, contact us, email, phone, see us on Instagram, YouTube. We have a bunch of videos and stuff like that. But in the meantime, you gotta get back to getting. See you guys later.